Hey friends, welcome back. It's me, Michelle, a registered nurse in Canada. So today I'm going to teach you some useful English phrases to help you with getting meds at a pharmacy. Of course, I'm not a pharmacist, I'm a nurse, but what I'm going to share with you is just general knowledge to help you with the process. So we're going to talk about how to fill your prescription for the first time at a pharmacy and also how to refill prescriptions. So in Canada, there are many pharmacies that you can go to. Now you can go to any pharmacy you like. I personally go to Costco Pharmacy, and here's what I do. So here I am at the pharmacy with my prescription that my doctor printed for me. Now at Costco, there are 3 windows: prescription drop-off, prescription pickup, and patient counseling. Now in order to fill my prescription, I'm going to line up at the prescription drop-off line so that I can give it to the pharmacist. Hi there, I'd like to fill this prescription. Sure, it'll be ready in about 2 hours. So you can either wait 2 hours at Costco for them to fill it, or you can just come back another day to pick up your medication. So after 2 hours, I go to the window that says prescription pickup. Hi, I'm here to pick up my prescription. Sure, what's your full name and date of birth? Once I confirm these details, the lady at the checkout will go to retrieve my medication. Now, once she has it, she might ask, have you taken this medication before? Do you have any questions about this medication? Would you like to speak to a pharmacist about this medication? If this is the first time that you're taking this medication, or if you have any questions and would like to know more, you can let her know. Yes, I'd like to speak to a pharmacist. The packaging of this medication looks different from what I usually take. Yeah, for sure. I'll just get you to go over to the patient counseling window, and one of our pharmacists will be there to answer your questions. And they'll bring your medication to the window, okay? Sure. Hi, you had a question about your medication? Yes, the packaging of this medication looks different from what I usually take. Is there a different medication, or has the formula changed? No, so this is the same medication that you usually take. They just recently changed the packaging, but it's the same thing. Perfect. Thanks so much for your help. Now, of course, if you didn't need to talk to the pharmacist, you would just check out and leave. Now, as the cashier scans your medications, she might ask, do you have coverage? Or, do you have insurance? And this just means, do you have insurance coverage for these prescription drugs? If you have refills left, you can see it on the pharmacy's label on the medications package. Then you can just call your pharmacy and follow their automated refill instructions. Now, if you don't have any refills left, then you can either go see your GP, so your general practitioner, that could be your family doctor or a nurse practitioner, for another refill. Or you can call your pharmacy and ask them to send a refill request form to your GP. So here's how you call the pharmacy. Hi, Costco Pharmacy, how can I help you? Hi, can you please send a refill request form to my family doctor? Sure, what's your full name and date of birth? What medication would you like to refill? Yasmin 28, the birth control pills. Okay, and what's your doctor's first and last name? Dr. Alice Sun. And her clinic's address? Brooklyn Medical, 3421 Bakers Road, Southeast. Okay, I've sent the refill request. You can call back here tomorrow to check that your doctor has approved the request, and then we can give you more information about when you can come and pick up your medication, okay? Sounds good. Thank you so much for your help. Bye. And that's it. Now, I know it can seem really complicated the first time you go to the pharmacy, but don't worry, it really does get easier after the first time. So, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.